sub points or points. The people who have joined from the laptops, they can see a screen on the left hand side that is an computer screen which shows that you have to join your laptop with the audio. Please click on the option that is automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. From this, you will be able to hear us. And the people who have joined from their mobile phones, the right hand side screen shows you all have to connect yourself to audio. Please click on call via device audio on the left corner of your screen. Teacher Class is India's first education tool directory built for teachers and by teachers. We offer a curated list of best teaching tools available, simple and easy to learn, with some amazing video tutorials and free live classes. Browse through our featured tool tutorials and upcoming classes in the given link down below chat box. I'll be posting the links of our foundation and the YouTube links as well, and WhatsApp links too, so that you all can get connected with us. The links for upcoming sessions will also be posted. You can find right online teaching tool that suits your teaching needs. Let's explore over more than 100 video tutorials on YouTube and learn at your own pace. Sign up for a live class with and learn at your own pace with your peers and get to know your queries solved at the right moment and at the right platform. There are some live class instructions to be followed. We are recording this session for educational purposes and to ensure that this is a great experience for everyone. Please stay engaged and ask questions through chat. Your questions will be answered as per the time permits. Please respect each other while using the chat. Keep your videos off throughout the session. We will pause in case if we receive many questions. Please do make sure that you send your comments via chat. Repeating again that if you are not able to hear the speaker, please join via audio by clicking on the microphone button on the left bottom of your screen. Eligible teachers will receive the certificate on the following conditions: that they have to attend at least 60 minutes of this session. Active participation is necessary in the chat box. Please fill up the feedback form which will be provided you in the chat box at the end. The teachers will receive the certificates within 7 working days. Naveen sir, over to you. So you are on mute.
Now I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we have already done one of the session on the Canva for education as being requested by so many teachers that they missed the session. So we are conducting the session again. Thank you so much. We have approximately 54 teachers who have joined in this session. So I want to make this session very, very interactive, and so starting from sharing my screen, I'll directly tell you to connect with me on this Canva for education. So I want you to connect with me. I will not see the chat window during the presentation. So you can directly connect with me on this presentation using this ClassPoint app. Just go to classpoint.app, enter the code 61028 so that I can see you and everyone can see what people are thinking of. Do join this code classpoint.app, open your mobile phone, open the browser and write this classpoint.app, enter the code so that we can interact within a presentation only. Shweta ma'am, Mukul sir has joined this. So everyone requested to join. Now what you need to do, you just open a classpoint.app. We have so many people. Please do join this so that we can see what you think I hope people are joining me. Just open. We have so many teachers available who are attending the session. I think how many teachers, teacher class, may I know how many teachers are there in the session? Great. We can start with the 10 people, and all those who have just joined, just open classpoint.app, open 61028. The code will be available on my screen always. Great. We got 14 participants. Now, starting with this session, thank you. 16 people have joined. Thank you, Canva for Education, 25th August. Now, after this session, what you are going to learn about in this session? Understand the Canva, able to create an account, able to search, able to access free version with the educational ID, and able to collaborate, and able to design beautiful flyer, poster, or video with a professional version. What we are talking about today is a professional version wherein, and the Canva is giving free to educational people, those who will use for educational purpose. So we are going to learn that. Again, I want to know from you. I'll just go back. So I want to know from your side, what do you know about Canva? So we have so many teachers who have joined me, 20 teachers. I want to know from you why you have joined the session and what do you want to learn in this session. You want to learn advanced version or you want a basics? So please write in the, you have already one basics. Sakina ma'am says basics you want to know. Advanced, Mukul sir wants advanced. Basic and advanced both. Advanced both, basic. Basic. Abdesh sir says basic. Advanced. Great, Renu Gupta ma'am. You are already using. Great. Both. Can add animation. I want to learn basic of the app. Both. How many responses? So we are having 20 people in the session. And if I go basics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. So 50% of the people want me to start with basics. So we'll go with the basics and in a faster mode so that people can understand. So I'm just closing this. I'm just saving this. Now, what is Canva for education? So Canva is an online design and publishing tool with a template that make it easy, creative presentation, poster, document, and other visual concepts. So that is for Canva for education. Now, how to start with Canva for education? You just need to go canva.com, en._in/education. Then you can log in with the Canva for education. Now, what are the features of Canva? What is included in Canva for education? What I can do, I can create, produce presentation or lesson. I can add voiceover, send and share directly as a video link. Make images, font, graphics, video, animation, and templates. And the most important is remove backgrounds. If you have an image, you cannot remove background in the free version, but Canva for education, you can do. and I can access to a content planner. So these are the few options which you can do in a professional version. Again, you can integrate this with your Microsoft Teams as well as with a Google. So you can create your class, you can add your student, and you can collaborate with everyone. You can assign the homework. You can share review work as an assignment and complete or individually collaboratively. So means we can assign the homework using Canva for Education, wherein student can submit their homework at their own pace or anytime. Now, this is a site for Canva for Education. You can see here, it is written here at Canva for Education. So I just open a site canva.com en underscore, that is Canva for Education. If you see, this is a URL for Canva for Education. Now, how to get a free version? If you have already Canva free account created with the email address, you will be automatically upgraded to pro user upgraded. It means if you have already created an account on Canva and you are using any educational ID, for example, I am using trademarkschool.com. That is the name of my organization, and I can use this Canva for free. So in case you are not getting this option, you can just contact the Canva people and add your credentials. You will get a free account of Canva. Now, what Canva for Education includes 60,000 educational related templates. If you see here, I have written here 60,000 and it's increasing day by day. So we can have a 60,000 and we can search for the educational presentation templates. Lesson plan I can create. Group work and skill-based activity worksheets. Student videos, socio-emotional learning activities, that is how are you feeling today. Infographics, virtual classroom kits include Google. So all these things are available in Canva for Education. Unleash the creativity of pro feature. What pro feature you will get in this session? You can create a lesson which is not possible in free. Millions of premium images. If you are using a free version, you will not get a premium images. You can get a fonts, graphic, video, and animations available. Remove the background. This is again a challenge for in a normal way. You can remove the background of the image. Upload school logos and fonts, add the Bitmoji and GIF to your personalization. So these are the advantage of Canva for Education. Let's start with Canva for Education. I hope it is clear to everyone that how can you start with a Canva for Education. So I'll just write Canva. Now, those who are in the session, I'm giving you because Canva has decided to give this option available, even if you are not a. So I'm just taking care of this. You can see this. This can be anyone from your school if they are not on Canva for Education. Yet you give them an access. It means even if you are not on the Canva for Education, I can give you a link wherein you can create your account with free of cost. So I'm just copying this, and after 15 minutes, I'll deactivate. I'm posting in the chat window. All of you can join using this link and your pro activation account will be started. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone. Say yes, no. I'm taking yes, no. Yes, no. Say yes, no. Are you okay with this? I'm giving you 15 minutes time to join Canva for professional version. You can log into the Canva and you can just click on the link. You will get a free version, professional version from my side. 3 people have done. Great. So only 3 people like the idea, rest don't want. Okay, great. So no issues. Let's come back to the Canva screen once again. So this was a Canva wherein I can invite, because I am using a professional version as I am on the My Education Live. So this is a screen of Canva. If you see here, this is the Canva screen, and the left panel will show you, like herein you can see that I am using Canva for Education. It's written here, Naveen Gupta, and it is written here Education. So I'm using for education. And if you see this side of the screen, my image is here. Just see the corner of the image. So this is my ID which I've entered, and my ID is available here. So if I click, you can see here my email ID of the school is I'm using for. Now, let's talk about first this panel. I'll talk about this panel first. What are the options available on your left panel? And I'm going to use for the Canva for Education. So I'll get some of the features which are available freely to me. So let's discuss about this option wherein we are talking about left panel. This right panel is what I have designed. It's all are available here. Whatever I have done, all my designs. Now, if I go down, you can see here classwork, brand, content planner, as we take and launch the Canva app. Now, one is that you are using Canva on a browser window, or you can use a Canva app for your desktop, and that you can use it offline as well. So this is an option, launch the Canva app, then the Canva app will be installed on your system, and then you can use it. So that both the options are available with you. Now, so this is my class, Naveen Gupta class. So I can add more people to my class. It's applicable for mobile phone as well. Now, this is my class, and folders, templates, apps. I can add more apps to this, and the people who are using my account. So you can see here, I have added few of the students. I have added few of the students, those who are using, and Chugail's, I can't pronounce him. So he has already joined my classroom, and he can be used this free version of Shifali Nair ma'am, davchandigarh.com. She has joined me. Chitra Iyer ma'am, Atul Vidyalay, and people are using Renu Gupta, doedaily.gov.in 213. Thank you everyone, those who have joined. So this is my account wherein I have added few of the teachers who can use the professional version along with me for the Canva for Education. Now, if I go through this class, so I am having an option designs. What design I want to add? If I click, I'm just going very slow. I have gone to my class, I have taken design, and if I click on my design, create design, I'll get an option what I want to create. I want to create video, I want to create mind map, flashcard, logo, infographics, A4 document, whiteboard, educational video. So I am having so many options available. I can take any of the option and create something. Or at the same time, this is what we are getting as a education. I can design something for my class. Or I can just go here. I'm just talking about templates. Even if I click on this template, I'll get a same option. So if I click on the template, it will allow me to create a template for anything which I want. Let's say I want to design, what should I design? A poster. Oh, some error at their place and this side. Now, so I said you can go to templates. And there can be a multiple templates available. Browse the templates, whiteboard, educational presentation, educational video, educational infographics, class schedules, whatever I want to design, I can take the template. So you can see here multiple templates are available here. So let's say I want to design a, what should I design? I can take, I'll say social media. I want to design something for the Instagram or Facebook cover photo. Let's say I'm designing a cover photo for my Facebook. So these are the few designs which are available, or I can take it a blank. Let's say I'm taking this colorful floral. So once I say magenta fashion boutique, and I'll say customize. Once I say customize, a new window will open, and wherein I'll get a options to edit the complete set of instructions. Complete set of. Now this is my floral window. Now what I can do, I'll change this name. I'll say Naveen Gupta. Then it's not a fashion boutique, so I'll just change this. Learning becomes easier when it comes to practice. So what we say like, so this is something I added. Now let's say I want this to be smaller. I can make it smaller. Or if I want this should be rotated, on the rotational basis, I can make it in a different, and I can make it like this. Now I will add this as a border. Now this is my border. Now I can increase the size. It's normal PowerPoint like. Now, if I'm having some picture, so I'm just discussing about this set of option. I'm just talking about this type of option, what I can do with this. I'll just discuss elements, uploads, text, photos, styles, and audio. So what all you can do with this Canva. Templates, I'm already using one of the templates. Even I can change the template any point of time if I want. These are the templates available with me. I can use any of the template. Any point of time, I can change my template. Okay. So let's say I want to add elements. What element I want to add? Let's say I want to add this kind of thing. So you can see here, I can add this to my, or I don't like this one. So I can take this one. Or I don't like this. So I can take this lines. So this is what I'm designing. Or even then I can take this as well. So these are the things. I can take this flower, which is at the center, or I can take it here. You have various options. Girls can do anything. You have this. Just click and add and resize it. And this is a video background. So I can change to video background. So now my background is a video background. And I can say send to back. So you can see this is my video, 24.2 seconds. I can just play. So this video will be created with this. Now I can click on download so that I can download this video. And very simple way to create a poster. So the elements means what do you want to add on your screen? You can add tables, you can add frames, grids, you can add this images. Let's say I can add this person. So all these are the elements which are available within a Canva. And it's, you can see here magic recommendation. Once I added the presentation, the Canva is allowing me. So these are some of the options which you can use similar to the option which I added, similar to the image I added. So let's say I take this. So this was a 3D teach. I can add arrows. I can add photos. We have photos here. I can search the photo. Let's say technology photo. I can search technology. These are some photos which I can use. Let's say this is an AI with men. I can just take this, or I don't want this. So these are the elements which I can say, let's say trophy. I'll add trophy. So I'm designing a poster for some event, so I can add a trophy. Now, uploads. Let's say you want to upload any of the image or any of the video from your system, you can use it. You can add the audio. Let's say this audio I've added. So it will be. So you can see here, this being added to my, this is a piano. These upload I have done. These were not available within a Canva. So I have said up. I've taken, we have a 3 option to upload: images, videos, and audio. So I want an image which I have, you can see here I've uploaded so many images. I have uploaded the video. I'm having an audio. So I can say upload file, and I can add any of the image, or I can say record yourself. So I'll say allow. I say got it. And this option will not work actually. Why this option will not work? Allow permission to, I have already allowed. Because my Zoom is accessing my camera and a mic, I say allow. So I can say what I want to share. I want to share the complete screen, window, or Chrome tab. So I say, let's say, so it will start recording my window. I'm explaining the demonstration of Canva for education, and that will be recorded. I'll just say, got it. And I can add my camera. You can see here, I'm adding my camera. And camera and screen, like screen recorder we use. So we can use camera and screen both at the same time to record any video. As I'm using Zoom camera, so that's a way camera is not visible here. So if you can see here, the camera is off. I cannot switch on the camera because Zoom is using it. So this is the way I can record my screen. Hello and welcome. I am including this window. So you can say done or I can delete. I'll say save. My screen. So you can see here I have added hello and welcome. I am including this. So you can see here that I'm having a video which I can add to my, I'll add a page and I'll add them. So you can see the video with video and welcome. I'm including this window. So you can see here that I've added record yourself ke through. I've added the screen and images. Let's say I'm having another image. I'm having some image. I'm taking some background. So all I'll go back to template. I'll take this template. Okay, great. So I'm just deleting this and I'm having some image. So can you see the image, which is a background, white background? Now this is very, very easy option. When you have an image on your screen, just click on the edit image. When you click on the edit image, you will click on BG remover. And you will see the background of the image will be deleted automatically. You can see here that it's being deleted and you can add to your anywhere, wherever you want to add. So you can use with the background, like this is an image. Let's say this is an image wherein I'm having something. I'll just delete it. I'll just delete it. I'll delete this. And I'll say first remove my background. So you will see this being removed. And it's always better to remove the background of the images when you are designing. You can see here, it's look like that image is on directly on this. So I just click and I'll not say 50% off. I'll say this. And I'll say, so these are the options through which I can upload images, video or audio. Let's say I want a text. So I'm just explaining this window text. So you have a various types of text. Let's say text. So you can have a add text, add substring, add body text. And you have certain different types of text which are already defined. Let's say I'll take normal text, add as a heading. So I'll write here, thank you for joining me. In this wonderful evening. So this is my text. Now what I can do with the text, I can change the text style. You can say we are having different styles. So you can change, you can add the new style. Recommendation is always there. You can say this is a good text for this, or I can use this. Now, this I've changed the text. This is the size. You can increase or decrease the size. This is the color. If you want to change the color, you have multiple colors. You can use any color for your text. Now, this is the alignment. You can see I have changed the alignment. So once you click, it's like 3 types of alignment automatically. It's on off button. It's toggle kind of. You want some bullets, you can use. This is a good option when you have a paragraph. You can letter spacing increase. You can increase the letter spacing or you can decrease the letter spacing. You can see I can increase. And line spacing, you can increase to 1.0. So you can see the line spacing is being done. And you can just make it this. So these are the options with text. Now effects. You want effects on the text, so you can use the effects. You can use a different concept. You can make it like this. You can see here different types curve, and you can define the curve ratio, what ratio you want. And I'll take this. You can see different types of style. I'll take this one. Then you have an animate. You can animate the text. So the text will come from fade in. It comes from like this. It will be typewriter like we have up in PowerPoint. It's character by character. You can make it word by word. So the word is displaying like this. It's all your creativity. What do you want with this? This is merge. You can see another effect. You can have both on enter, on exit, intensity. So you have all the effects on the text. So you have to click on the three dots and you can use it. You can underline it. You can take this, crop the style. You can crop the style. You can have a transparency on this. Abhi 100%. You can see here. You want a as a watermark, so you can reduce the transparency of the text. So these are the options available with the text. Now photos, you have various photos available with this. You can use any photos which are available, or you can search. Now another is a style. These are the style. You can see the different style of the text, different style of the background. If I click any one of this, you can see backgrounds being changed. So we have various styles available with this. So automatically, if I add a text, all style will be here. So all these options are available with you to design anything. You can change the background. We have a different types of backgrounds. If you're designing from your complete layout, you can use any background. So depending upon your process, you can design any of the banner. And after designing, if you feel that you need an element, you can add an element. So I'll just say click. So let's say I say border. I want a border to my presentation. So I'll get this border. So I'll just add this border. So this kind of things you can create. You can have this type of border as well. And the sizes are fixed actually here. So all these things are available within a Canva, and you can just play. You can see this. It's like look like this. Hello and welcome. I am including this. And I can say download. Now what suggested? It's suggesting me to download as a MP4. If I want a PDF, I can download as a PDF. I can download as a JPG. I can download with a GIF. So we have a various option through which we can download this file. So let's say I'm downloading this file as MP4. So it's downloading. It will take time because it's a video file. I'll take quick poll. Hope you people are enjoying this session. We have 21 people in this. Are you liking the session? Say yes, no. One response. Sumita ma'am. Two people like the session. Few people are writing in the Zoom. And another feature which you get on the premium version, that you can resize it. Like in the free version, you cannot resize. Once you have created, you cannot resize. So it will allow me to download. Then I'll tell you how to make it. It's still downloading. It takes time to download actually. Because this file contains. Oh, same 5 people have said yes. Great. It's still downloading. Once it's down, now how to resize? You can go to resize and you can resize it with any format, any size, Instagram, logo, A4 document, and you can download easily. So, sir, somebody was asking me how to download. So on the right corner of the screen, if you see the right corner of the screen, have an option called share. You have an option called share. You can see here, I'm having an option called share. And those through the share, when you click, you will get various options. You can say link shared. So let's say so many people have joined my class. So I can say anyone with the link can edit. I'll say copy and I'll paste. In that case, you can change this document easily. You can assign, you can Google Classroom, you can view link only. Means people can just see, download. Now, what you can download? As I said, I can download the MP4, PDF standard, PNG. Let's say I say PDF. I'll just say PDF. So it's asking me to save. You can see whatever I have done, it's being downloaded. Can you see what design which I have made? It's available in the high quality print. If you get printed, it will be same as. So when I'm saying sharing, it will ask you what do you want to download. If I say download MP4 or PDF print, best for printing. So you have an option through this, you can download it. MP4 is being not downloaded because it was taking so much of time. I hope it is clear to everyone. And now I'll stop sharing my screen and I'll ask you may ask the question now. I hope you like the session. Sure, Meenakshi ma'am will take a class point, teach a class. Please make sure that we have a class point session as well. Class point is
Sure,
being.
sir.
I hope the session was fruitful for everyone. and rest you can explore yourself. If you want to say something, you can just unmute and say something. I think they are allowed to speak.
Yes, sir. If they raise their hand, they are allowed to speak.
If anybody wants to ask a question. Nidhi ma'am, you can join the CBSE sessions. Gamification in learning we can do in teacher class as well.
The feedback form has been provided in the chat box. Kindly fill up that feedback form. Sir, there is a question in the chat box.
Yeah.
Can we use Canva slides in other apps like PowerPoint presentation?
Yes, you can use, you can download and you can implement with the PowerPoint, but the animation will not work. You can use a normal graphics.
One more question, sir. Please clear how to. No, please explain how to clear the background.
How to clear the background? Sure, I'll explain once more. At the same time, I downloaded my MP4 as well. So I'll show them how to see the MP4. I'll get a MP4 as well. So share you can see this is the MP4 which my screen. Hello and welcome. This MP4 I have created actually. Now somebody asked how to clear the background. So let's say I'm having one image on my system. I'll go to upload. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Go to upload file. I'll go to upload file. Let's say I'm taking one image from my system. As, let's say this logo. I'll take another logo. I'll take this logo. So you can see this added to my screen. And I'll say add page. And I'll add this. This is a logo with a white background. So you can't see the difference. So if I take that background as a different color and I want to merge this with my background of the, let's say this is my background. It's too high color. I'll take black, simple black. It's merging with it because it's a PNG. And again, I'll go back. I'll take another upload. Let's say this is one of the image which I'm having. Now I want to remove this image background. I'll just click. I'll go to this button called edit image. There is a button called edit image. If you click on edit image, you will get an option BG remover. You'll get an option BG remover. You click on BG remover. Wait for a few seconds. Your background of the image will be removed. You can see here. It's being merged with a document. Can you see how to remove? I hope I've answered your question. Any more question?
No, sir. No more questions. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Please visit our website. The link is been given in the chat box and the number for WhatsApp. If you need to get connected, please connect to this number. And the website for our organization is also been updated down below in the chat box. Please connect to our YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube channels. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as well.
Somebody's asking, we'll take a 1 minute more. Somebody's asking how to create a class. So I'm just going back. So how to create a class when I'm on the main screen. Let's say this is my Canva for education. That's not working. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
I think site is down or something happened. So you can say get verified as a teacher. I think something went wrong with this. So I cannot show you how to create a class. Otherwise, you can just go to create a class and you can add your student through a Google Classroom or a Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining.
I'm leaving the session. Thank you.